Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday felicitated the sports achievers of Meghalaya Games 2024 and Khelo India Youth Games 2024 at a function that was held at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. Also present during the occasion were Minister Health and Family Welfare Dr. Emperin Lingdo and Minister Sports and Youth Affairs Shaklia Warjri. Speaking during the felicitation function, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, congratulating the achievers, said that the achievements and the laurels brought to the state needs to be celebrated. Congratulating the football team that had won the cup in the Khelo India Youth Games, the Chief Minister said that the team has made the state proud and added that they have come out as champions, and this only goes to show the kind of talent that the state have.
Very important and responsible role to play. Today you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved.
Mereka sorkar tu ai kalong sisa kecing harap ingin amar ba nakani kakas awat kebai ai nyila ban long ban kit pikir yang kai ban kumbiang kabam yang ladi nama kabam kadi ban motor ho nyila ban pun di jing lu jing sep ni kira yang kai